Francis, and I am excited to be Jayden's teacher this year. We're super glad that he's going to be coming to join us in first grade, and we look forward to working together. We've got kind of a weird situation going on now with our hybrid school schedule, so something that's super important for us is to navigate our online learning center, and what we use for that is called Canvas. So I just kind of wanted to expose you to that because not only is it important for finding daily work when Jayden's working at home, but it will give you some information about our class and what to expect from first grade at Northview. So this is a teacher version of the page. It's a little bit different than what you will see on the iPad when Jayden brings it home, but still it'll give you a main idea of what you should be looking for. So when he signs onto his iPad, it'll probably bring him to a screen with a bunch of little tiles like this for all of his different classes. Mine has some teacher stuff in here, but his will also have this homeroom one. This is the one where we have all of our first grade work. You will have separate pages for his specials classes like PE, art, music, and STEM to explore each day when he is at home as well. But most of his homeroom coursework will be right here in the first grade rocks little tile. When you open it up, you will not have this sidebar over here, but you will see this same welcome screen. We do a Zoom meeting every single day, so there's one in the morning at 8:45 and one in the afternoon at 1:45. On Mondays and Tuesdays, he will meet with me in the morning. And then I do the Monday afternoon as well, and a different teacher does the Tuesday afternoon. Wednesdays we'll meet in the morning again on Zoom, but then the afternoon time schedule is a little bit different. Instead of 1:45, he'll have a 1:30 meeting with another first grade teacher named Mrs. Gilbert. You can get the links to those Zoom meetings right here. All of our morning meetings, you click this icon. All of the afternoon meetings except Wednesdays, you click here. The Wednesday link is different. Some important stuff, there's a Meet the Teacher button, so if you click on this, you can see a video and a little get to know you thing about me. And some other options that we have here, our class schedule is important to know. That'll show you what day we have PE, so you know when to wear your tennis shoes. We have first grade newsletters published on the blue button, so it shows you what we're learning about in class. Classroom information is probably something really important you'll want to look over. It tells you about different things, so our values, healthy habits, behavior management systems at school, what our schedule is like for library books. Talks about your star folder, which looks like this. This is one way that we will communicate back and forth daily. If you have a note that you need to send me, or if I have work I need to send home, I will send it in this for his regular days. And then if he's about to go home for his remote learning days, that work will come in a bigger binder. This also tells you about snack time and bringing water bottles to class, if he has a birthday to celebrate, and then some of our technology, just information there for our iPads. The most important part is actually over here, though. It's covered up, but it is a purple button that says Daily Work. When he's at home, Jayden will need to click this button every day to find his work when it is his remote learning day, so on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. He is a Group B kiddo, so he will click this B button, and then just go for searching in the calendars. It is November, so if he's looking for work, like today is November 11th, he would click on the 11th, and it will bring him to a module. When I send home a binder looking like this, it will have a checklist of the assignments to complete for each day inside, and that's what you see here on this first page also. So same thing, just a paper copy. I try to show you here where the assignment is located and what needs to be turned in, what I'll be looking for. And then at the bottom, you can just go through each of these modules by clicking the next button. It'll take you to your assignment. I try to put a video on there so students can hear the information, hear some directions from me, and be a little bit self-directed at home at least. They'll click through, and then there are special times when it will tell them to stop or special things to look at, all of that. But that's how they find their work. If you need to ever message me or something, there's an email inbox over here, or if you just send me a regular email from your phone or your computer, that is totally fine too. We also have a Blooms website for our class, and I will send home a paper so you can see what that code is. And over here on the side, we've got a couple other things that are covered up. Family resources, this just gives you some information about the school. You can look at what the lunch menu is, view the calendar, a couple other websites there. There is an extras button for kids to just look at different resources and rooms, just kind of games for fun. And this is a Canvas help thing, so if you need any help with that. But that's just a really quick rundown of things that you will see on Canvas. I look forward to seeing Jayden in class. We'll hopefully have some time to go through the iPad together and look at some of the apps and things that will be important. But yeah, it should be a really fun year, and please feel free to email me anytime if you have any questions, and we'll look forward to a good year together.